Hello and welcome to MathMinders Academy. Today's lesson is on logarithms. We'll learn what a logarithm is, how to convert between exponential form and logarithmic form, and solve some examples step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand and use logarithms with confidence. Let's get started. What is a logarithm? A logarithm is another way of writing an exponent. It answers the question, what power do I raise a base to in order to get a certain number? We write it like this. Log base b of a equals c. Mathematically, that is, log base b of a equals c if and only if b to the power c equals a. For example, if 2 to the power 3 is 8, then log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Let's learn how to convert between exponential and logarithmic forms. Remember, if b to the power of c equals a, then log base b of a equals c. Here's the rule. Exponential form, b to the power of c equals a. Logarithmic form, log a base b equals c. Let's look at some examples. Solve for x if log base 9 of x equals 2. We first write this in exponential form as 9 squared equals x. That means x equals 81. Next, what is x if 3 to the power of x equals 24? Hey, we first convert this to logarithmic form. Log base 3 of 24 equals x. You can use a change of base formula. That is, log base b of a equals log base k of a divided by log base k of b. We can change k to 10, and this is referred to as common logarithm. So, log base 3 of 24 equals log base 10 of 24 divided by log base 10 of 3. We can solve this using a calculator. Log base 10 of 24 is equal to 1.3802. Log base 10 of 3 is equal to 0.4771. X equals 1.3802 divided by 0.4771. Hence, x equals 2.89 correct to 2 decimal places. Solve for x if 6 to the power of x equals 25. Leave your answer to 2 decimal places. Let's share our answer in the comment section. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to MathMinders Academy, and leave a comment below. Let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams.